Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the games in Borderland. When you arrive, a phone will display your game's rules and location. You must decide to participate. Refusal results in a swift laser elimination. Your primary goal is to clear the game within the given time limit. Successfully completing a game grants you a visa extension, allowing you to survive longer in this dangerous world. Be prepared for intense challenges. The games are categorized by 4 suits, each indicating a different challenge type. Clubs are team-based, demanding cooperation and physical strength from all players. Diamonds test your intelligence and strategic thinking, often involving complex puzzles. Spades are purely physical, pushing your endurance and speed to their limits. Finally, hearts are the most treacherous, focusing on psychological manipulation and betrayal among participants. The stakes in Borderland are incredibly high. Failure to clear any game means immediate elimination by a laser. Successfully completing a game extends your visa by the number on the card you earned. For example, a 7 of spades grants 7 extra days. If your visa expires, you face the same fatal consequence. Players must decide whether to cooperate with others or resort to deception to ensure their own survival. Playing these games demands a unique blend of mental fortitude and physical capability. You'll need sharp intellect for diamond games and strong endurance for spades. Adaptability is crucial, as rules can change unexpectedly, forcing quick adjustments. While cooperation is sometimes necessary, trusting others can be a fatal error, especially in heart games. Ultimately, maintaining composure under immense pressure is absolutely vital for survival.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.